Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be different from what you've seen about VPNs before. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested more than 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research doc covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time on stuff that doesn't even matter for streaming or browsing safely in Georgia, or things you just don't care about, just to stretch this video to 15 minutes, I'll straight up tell you the best VPNs for Georgia right now. Plus a few key things about each one that actually matter, so you can just pick one and move on with your day. And for the nerds like me out there, I'll drop a link in the description so you can grab my full research doc for free and check it out for the rest of the year. No joke. Alright, let's get to it. The top 3 VPN services for Georgia and why. First, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for Georgia right now. Why? It works perfectly in Georgia, bypassing any geo-restrictions or censorship. That's super important. Speed, it's literally one of the fastest I tested. Low ping, no connectivity issues, no packet loss, and solid download and upload speeds, all crucial for smooth internet use. Features, it has the most features by far. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's got it. Pricing and support, good price for what it offers and the support is top notch. Logs, nope, they don't keep any. That's a fact. Encryption, they use the best encryption tech out there. Overall, super easy to use, fast, no issues, and relatively cheap for what you get. Negatives, only a 10 device limit. Second best VPN for Georgia is IPv&I'll. Why? It's a no BS straightforward VPN built purely for performance. Speed, incredibly fast with consistently low ping. No slowdowns, no dropped connections, just smooth sailing whether you're streaming Georgian content or browsing securely. Features, all the essentials plus a few extras. Reliable kill switch and split tunneling, which is great if you want to route only certain apps through the VPN. Pricing and support, one of the best values out there, often cheaper than competitors but delivers top-tier performance. Support's fast and helpful. Logs, no logs, and they've got an independently audited no logs policy. Encryption, top-notch AES 256 encryption. Negatives, it's based in the US, one of those Five Eyes countries which worries privacy nerds. Also, its server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, secure, set it and forget it VPN. Perfect if you want solid performance and great value in Georgia. Third best VPN for Georgia is Private Internet Access, PIA. Why? Massive server network and the most customization options on this list. Speed, very good. Thanks to the huge server network, you can almost always find a fast, uncrowded server nearby. Features, it's loaded. Kill switch, great ad blocker, and it's the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support, usually the cheapest premium option on this list. Support is pretty good and professional. Logs, no logs at all. Their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption, best encryption tech available, and it's even customizable. Negatives, like IPv&I'll, it's US based, plus the app UI isn't as clean as the other two. Overall, a reliable, transparent, powerful VPN. Best pick if you're on a budget, but still want a massive network and advanced features. Perfect for residents or travelers in Georgia. And that's it. My top 3 picks for Georgia: NordVPN, IPv&I'll, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick any of these VPNs just based on their colors or logos, you'll be more than fine. They just work perfectly for secure and unrestricted internet in Georgia. Quick recap to wrap this up in case you're still unsure. Go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for Georgia, a premium experience with the most features and fast speeds. Go with IPv&I'll if you want a simple, high-speed, set it and forget it VPN that delivers amazing value for your money. Go with PIA if you're on a budget, but want a VPN with a massive server network and tons of advanced features. My job here is done. I gave you the answers so you don't have to waste your time. I've put exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below, so you can get the best price available. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one. And hey, let me know in the comments which one you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.